Hey Queendom crew, welcome back. It's your girl Nene. You already know today I'm giving you guys another bond wig review, and today this unit is from Amazon.com. So I know you guys love those affordable units from Amazon, and today I'm giving you one that I think you're really going to like. Before we get into it, make sure that you guys click subscribe if you are new here. Thank you first of all for clicking this video to even watch. It means so much to me, and if you are I can't get my words together. If you are new here, make sure that you click subscribe before you leave, because if you don't, we don't know when we'll ever see you again, and we would love to have you join this amazing family. And if you're one of my loyal subscribers, what's good, girl? Thank you so much for coming back. Y'all already know I rock with y'all. I love y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. So like I said, this unit is from Amazon.com. This is a sponsored video, so I will give you the direct link so you can purchase this wig, and it is quite affordable as well. I'm giving you today is by a company, I don't know if I'm saying it right, but it is called Klaiyi Hair, and this unit is a synthetic wig. So this unit is loose curls. It's gonna be super cute for summer. So what I'm gonna do is show you guys the product, and then I'm going to style the unit, and then I'm actually going to give you my final thoughts so you can know if it's worth the money or not, whether you want to purchase it. So before we even get into it, wait, I think we covered everything. Yeah, we covered everything. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. Open this bad boy up. And here is the wig. So the wig comes in a net standard. As you can already see, it is a lace front unit, and the lace looks like it is the color brown. So you're also going to get a wig cap. This one came with a black wig cap. And you're also going to get a pair of lashes, another pair of lashes to add to the stash, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and open up this unit. So this unit is supposed to be a loose curly lace front wig. It is supposed to be synthetic. And yes, so this is what the unit is looking like. These are the curls. So these are some loose curls. The texture of the hair is feeling very soft right out the package. Let's see. So it is a lace front. I know a lot of times stores will say lace front, and then you get it and it's not. This one is actually a lace front. And this is what the parting is looking like. So the parting does not look too bad either. The parting looks pretty good. Now on the inside, this is what it's looking like. Two combs, one on the, looks like near the ear tab, and one on the side closer to the part. And then there's a comb in the nape as well, and then there are adjustable straps. So guys, this is what we're looking like so far. Now the density does say 150% on the website. Here it's looking like it's going to become more dense once I loosen up some of these curls, because right now they're pretty tight. Like it looks like as if I were to just one curl hair and not like pull it out. So I'm going to pull a few of these curls out, and I'm going to go ahead and customize it and try it on. Make sure you guys watch all of the customization tips so you guys can do it once you get yours. And then make sure you watch to the end so I can tell you if this wig is like that or not, because you know I'm going to give you the 100% tea. All right, let's go ahead and do this. queens, let's go ahead and discuss this unit. So I am, y'all, I can't even talk. I am pleasantly surprised. I really do like this unit on me. I know a lot of people are kind of like worried buying from Amazon, buying hair from Amazon. I keep finding some bomb affordable units. So like I said, this one is from a company online. I'll leave the link to everything below. This unit is very affordable as well. Now let's go ahead and get into the specs. So the cap size is big head friendly, thank God. I wasn't feeling any major tightness with this unit, which is great because excuse me, y'all, which is great because y'all know I'm big head gang. So the fact that this is not freaking tight on my head is amazing. Now what I will say is that the ear tabs, they do go to my hairline, so that's also something great because I usually, you guys know if you watch me, I sometimes have problems with cap sizes not being long enough to my ears basically. So another thing, guys, this unit, the hair is very soft. As you can see, I did put some heat to it when I used my wand curler just to flatten out this side. The parting space is nice. I did add some foundation and tweak it just a little bit, but I think it looks pretty good. You definitely could like pluck it if you wanted to, but I'm not doing all that. I think it looks good just like this. Now the hairline as well, the lace and everything matched up with my hair pretty good, and this is with no glue or gel, so I would say that it looks, you know, pretty nice, you know, for the price and all of that. Now the hair itself, I did not get any shedding with this unit. I did shape it a little bit to my face on the left side, and this is also a right side part, you guys. But as for tangling, I definitely could tell this unit is going to tangle because it is synthetic. Now for this type of unit, of course I would not brush through it, so you wouldn't really have to worry about tangles too much because this is one of those curly units, and I do think this is going to look cuter with time. I did not brush through these curls as you guys watched. I just like put my fingers through them and things like that to make them look bigger and fluffier. But I definitely think you will eventually get tangles, but this is not the type of unit that you need to literally brush out unless you want to straighten it, which I wouldn't do. I just don't do things like that. So it wouldn't be a problem for me. So you guys, this is the unit. Like I said, it's from Amazon and it is very affordable. So let me know what you guys think about this unit. And if you have any questions, make sure you leave it below. Make sure you guys go and check out the website in the description and let me know what you think about these Amazon wigs because I got some more coming for y'all and I think y'all are really gonna like it. All right, love you guys so much and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.